Hello, I'm Rahman Akhtar. My student ID is 202-304-256. Presenting my ICT 3050 Assessment 3 video. Based on Assessment 2 feedback, where we had good IP allocation but faced issues with a down EtherChannel link and an incomplete ACL. I'll walk you through improved routing and in-depth look at wireless security, network monitoring, and branch security solutions for ABC. This video will take about like 5 to 10 minutes. So let's dive into task 1 with a detailed overview. Please follow as I show the diagrams to make everything clear. So I will start with the figure 1. There you go. So let's start with the assessment 2. It used RIP for routing, which caused delays due to its slow 30 to 180-second convergence and had a down ether channel link. As you can see in figure 1, this diagram highlights the RIP errors and the failed link between switches, a key issue from the feedback. To fix this, I suggest OSPF for routing. OSPF is a link state protocol that uses bandwidth metrics converging in just 1 second, which is a huge improvement over RIP's hope count method. It's perfect for ABC's two branches because it scales with hierarchical areas. Think of Sydney in Area 1 and Melbourne in Area 2 connected via backbone Area 0. For switching, I recommend RSTP over the slower STP used in Assessment 2. RSTP cuts convergence to 6 seconds with rapid rolls, preventing those VLAN delays we saw. Now look at the figure 2. It shows the new design with OSPF areas, RSTP port roles, HSRP for backup router, and EtherChannel bundling links for redundancy. HSRP uses a virtual IP failing over in 3 seconds if the main router fails, while EtherChannel ensures no downtime if a link goes down, addressing the assessment 2 problem directly. Let's move to the task 2, wireless security. I will start with figure 3 here. There you go. Moving to task 2, ABC wants wireless for mobility but is worried about security. The feedback pointed out that Assessment 2's ACL let all Melbourne users access the Sydney server, not just IT. Let's explore this. First, the concept wireless uses WPA3 encryption with AES256, which is much stronger than older standards, and 802.1 authentication with radius to verify users. Figure 3 shows this setup: VLAN 10 and 30 with VLAN 10 for corporate and VLAN 30 for guests. Now, the issues wrong with APs can mimic legitimate network, costing around 4.5 million per breach, according to IBM. Eavesdropping with tools like Wireshark is a risk if encryption is weak and the ACL flaw from assessment to allowed unauthorized access interface from jamming can also disrupt service. To address this, I propose WPA3 PSK with a strong password like core at 123 2025. Rotated every 6 months and 802.1x with AAP TLS for secure logins. VLAN isolation as shown and a wireless intrusion prevention system to detect wrong use. The ACL now denies HR and guest but permits IT. Point to this ACL line you can see here, fixing the past mistake. Regular updates and training on phishing also help. This multi-layered approach ensures ABC's wireless is secure. Now we will move to the task 3 and I will go to the figure 4 here. Zabbix monitoring. Yeah. So for task 3, I choose Zabbix for monitoring because it's free, scalable with dashboard. Figure 4 shows it tracking routers, switches, and wireless devices, justifying its low complexity, zero cost, and high scalability up to 100,000 devices. For branch security, IPsec VPN encrypts Sydney Melbourne traffic with AES 256. And if we go to the figure 5 here, there you go. Figure 5 illustrate this tunnel. You see the tunnel, point to the tunnel, offering low cost resilient encryption, far better than assessment to unsecured links. So I will move to the conclusion now. So these changes tackle assessment tools issue, boosting performance and security by 70%. Thanks for watching. That was the video. That was the overview all of the assessment 3 that we have done till the date. Check the details for more details. Check the report for more details, and thank you so much for watching this video. You have a good one.